Hello, team! Look at this big sandy hill! Wait! What is that hiding under the sand?
Oh no! A mysterious object!
Mission to discover a fossil. Let's dig steadily and carefully.
Dump truck, bring the cleaning brush.
Bulldozer, clear the loose sand. Be ready to lift the bones.
Let's find the dinosaur bones.
Bone number 1. Say it with me. Bone. You're doing great. Bone number 2. Say it with me. Bone.
Bone. Oh. So cool. Steady, careful, and slow.
Bone number 3. Say it with me. Bone.
Bone. You are an expert. Bone number 4. Say it with me. Bone. Bone. Amazing. Bone number 5. The big skull. Say it. Bone. Bone. Wow! Now, let's build the dinosaur. Crane, lift it up. Carefully, piece by piece.
It's growing! A happy dinosaur!
Tall and friendly. The fossil is safe now. Great teamwork, team. Mission accomplished.
Time to celebrate!
Line up, tiny truck team.
We work together. High five, everyone!
Great digging today.
Bye-bye, dinosaur!
See you next time. Keep on exploring.
Bye, tiny truck team!